Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Global Study and Work. If you are planning to study in Sweden for the Bachelor's September 2026 intake and you want to complete the inter-admission and visa process on your own from the very beginning, then this video is for you. Everything about Bachelor admission to Sweden in one video. Let's check out eligibility. What you need. Valid passport. You must have a valid passport before starting your application. Certificate and transcript. Completed higher secondary education, 12th grade or 13th grade. 13th grade means if you are continue to studying in bachelor program, then you can use as 13th grade. Any recognized national board or international board is accepted. Your combined GPA, grade point average, from your secondary plus higher secondary should be around 6 or above or equivalent. English language proficiency must be B2 level. IELTS minimum overall 6 for science engineering program 6.5, TOEFL minimum 92 plus. Application fee. Application fee only 900 SEK for maximum program, only single payment. This is about 90 to 100 USD depending on your country. Autumn semester dates. September intake in the year, this is called autumn semester, and if you are international student, then you must have to apply for the first admission round in autumn semester. This is written here, you can read it. So we're gonna check out the dates and deadline, and this is the processing cycle. Admission open every year in the October. 16th of October 2025 application round open. Every year in the same time you have to follow this date, mid of October to 15th of January every year. Only for 3 months this application round open for international student, and you will apply for your bachelor or master's program in this time only. After that you have to wait for your admission result. This is the time to apply for admission any universities in Sweden. So you must have to apply in this time, 16, 15, mid of October to mid of January every year. After that, you have 3 weeks to submit your late documents on 31st of March. And during this time, you will have to face your entrance exam. And of course, you must have to face the Viva as well via interview link. You will receive the interview link as well after you submit your application. Let's go to universityadmissions.se. This is Sweden's official portal for all university applications. Create an account from this place. Click here and log in. After that, you will find the create an account, this option. This is user account. After that, you will search your program and submit application. Click here or create a simple account. First of all, you will receive this question: do you have Swedish personal ID number or no? Of course we don't have because we are new student. So click here no. Here you have 5 steps that you have to follow. If you look at this point, step 1, you have to type your valid email address and you have to create a password that is 12 characters minimum and use your capital letter, small letter, number and special characters as well. We're gonna fill up here by email address and create password. Then I am not a robot must as well. Then click to the next. And here you will receive a verification code that is confirmation email address. So you will check out your email address. You see like this and click it and you will find a 4-digit code and put them. So this is the third step. You have to type your name and date of birth, and it should be as your passport. Click here next. We're gonna move to the 4th step. Here you have to provide your phone number and your address as well. Address should be as your passport. You must follow your passport address. You have to complete your step 4 like this. You have to put your phone number and your address and then click next. And this is the final step, terms and conditions. You have to accept it and you will receive the marketing promotional information or no. I choose no, then create an account. So your account is done. Now you're gonna search your program and submit your application complete from this place. Here you see the filter. You will click here bottom, because if you are international student and if you need a residence permit to study in Sweden, then you must have to apply for autumn semester every year. And here you have to write your program name, which is your interested program. For example, if your study background is science, commerce, arts, or any other study field, then you have to type that program as well here. For example, if you are gonna apply for computer science engineering, type this computer science engineering. So now we have to select here as a program. Of course, you have to follow this filtering as well. So program, then all universities, or you can search by separate universities. And here you see the subject. You can select computer science and engineering when you apply for this, and all related subject. And here level, of course, you have to search for your bachelor program. Click here bachelor, and show only courses that are open for application. You don't touch here. Here you see the green mark, this is open for application, and you see the yellow mark, this is not open yet, this is upcoming program. Which program perfect or fit for your profile, then you must have to follow their requirements. For example, cyber security and administration, this is University of Skopje. So you have to check out the more information here. You see the first installment for first semester fees, and here is the total tuition fee. And this is full-time study on campus and English taught instruction, English language instruction, or English taught program. Of course, you have to choose this program. And this is bachelor degree. You must have to check out this section, and this is the subject area. And you have to check out the other requirement from this place, and this is the university website link, and you will check out your entry requirement from the university website. For example, I am visiting this website, University of Skopje. So here you will see the requirement for this program before you apply. So we're gonna check out this one, autumn 2026, location campus Skopje. And we're gonna check out inside. Here you see the English requirement, and this is flexible requirement, English 6 or English level 2. You can submit them IELTS or TOEFL score, like IELTS score 6 overall and TOEFL minimum 92. So this is the conditions you have to apply for this program. And once you confirm that you're gonna choose this program, then you can choose this place, apply now. Or if you click here, then this website will redirect you to the universityadmissions.se, this site. So if you decide to apply for this program, then click here to select, and you will select more 3 programs, total 4 programs, and you will pay the single application fee. So for example, I check out this program and this is matched with my profile as well, so I choose this program as well. After that, I choose this program as well, and this is 3. And this is Linnaeus University Network Security Program. I choose this one as well. So now I choose 4 programs in this place, and this is final revision. I have to check out everything. Then if it's everything is okay, then I will start the application from this place. Click here. Now we're gonna rank our choose which is the first priority program and universities, and which is the second priority, which is the third priority. Then you can rank from this place up and down. So because you could get admission from multiple universities, 1 or more universities, then they will select you for the first priority program. So that's why you have to rank your program, otherwise you will have to continue. In this place, you have to answer your simple question like where did you complete your secondary education, then country name from this place. Now everything is okay here, and this application fee, of course we have to pay the application fee, and they will select this place because they are not required to pay their application fee. So everything is okay here, then we're going to submit our application. So this is the final step, and we have to pay the application fee 900 sec. So we're gonna do it from our this page, and because we have to do something for this place to application document, pay application fee, we have to do both things. So first of all, we're gonna upload our application document, then we're gonna pay our application fee as well. This is the instruction how you will upload your document. And second one, this is the identity document that you have to upload in this place. Click here, and you will upload your document PDF or JPG file from your profile. In this place, you will upload your identity document like photo of your passport. Then you will click here, and of course this passport will be clear scan and should be in your device while you applying. For example, this is my passport. This is the example. I'm going to showing you these things from here, and I'm going to write here passport and click here next. This document is already uploaded here, but I'm gonna add another. If you have another document like national identity and same as like I upload my passport. First, check out how to pay application fees from this place. So you will click this place, and you will find the payment gateway. If you wanna pay by bank card, then click in this point, and if you wanna pay by bank transfer, then click in this point. So I'm gonna show you both of them. So if you wanna pay from the card, then click here and process your card payment from a dual currency card. You must have to pay by dual currency bank card. Simply put your card information and pay your fee, and you will get automatic confirmation in your profile. So I'm gonna go back, and here is your bank transfer. If you have eligible bank to transfer money from your bank, then you can choose this option, and here is all the bank information where you have to send the money and swift code as well, IBN number and swift code. So this is the way to pay your 900 SEK application fee for maximum 4 programs.